Be ready, 5 seconds. Start. The Appellant Bank, a nationalized one, took the ultimate step against the respondent as an employee in pursuance of departmental proceedings, having found him guilty on various counts inter alia, including breach of duty as a custodian of public money and dishonesty, fraud of manipulation of documents. Stop stanza. The Industrial Tribunal ultimately upheld the decision of the Appellant-Bank, but in terms of the impugned judgment of the Allahabad High Court, 5 of the charges were found not proved, while qua 2 of the charges the matter was remitted back to the Industrial Tribunal with a limited mandate. Stop stanza. The said decision was, however, stayed by this court on 5/3/2019. Stop. The facts. Stop. The respondent was employed with the Appellant Bank as a clerk cum cashier with effect from 14/9/1981. Stop. The Appellant Bank received a complaint dated 8/10/1994 from the sister-in-law of the respondent, Srimati Meera Srivastava, that the respondent had opened and operated a saving account number 7882 in the joint name of the respondent and his sister-in-law by forging her signatures and encashed a demand draft of ₹20,000, which was issued to her by way of interim relief by Kalyan Nigam Limited, which her husband was employed as a junior engineer who had unfortunately passed away in a road accident on 15/4/1994. Stop stanza. The respondent was placed under suspension on 5/11/1994 by the bank for committing acts of grave misconduct at the Gorakhpur branch, and he was issued a charge sheet dated 22/3/1995. Stop. The charges are as under. Stop. Charges number 1. Stop. On 28/9/1994, you went to the clearing house without collecting the outward clearing checks from Mr. T.K. Sridhar, officer, in violation of the specific instructions of the branch manager, Mr. R.N. Saxena, and thus you committed an act of willful insubordination, which is a gross misconduct under para 19.5 within bracket E of the Tripartite Settlement dated 1910-1966. Stop. Charges number 2. You refused to include the outward clearing checks for ₹2 lakh for the day's clearing on 28/9/1994 when Mr. A.K. Chakravarti and Mr. S.N. Pandey, officer, handed over the said checks at the clearing house before 10:30 a.m. despite the specific instructions given by them, which is an act of willful insubordination and is a gross misconduct under para 19.5 within bracket E of the Tripartite Settlement dated 1910-1966. Stop stanza. Charge number 3. By refusing to include the outward clearing checks for ₹2 lakh for the day's clearing on 28/9/1994, you caused inconvenience and hardship to the bank's customers concerned and thus acted in a manner prejudicial to the interest of the bank, which is a gross misconduct under para 19.5 within bracket J of the Tripartite Settlement dated 1910-1966. Stop stanza. Charge number 4. You fraudulently and dishonestly opened saving account number 7882 in the joint name of yourself and your sister-in-law